Okay, so in a previous tutorial, I ended up showing you how you can make this website. Now I'm going to show you how you can use an image to make a website, but I'm going to try and convert this website into the one that is in the image. So I'm just going to if you're looking to get a 20% discount on Hostinger, then use the referral code in the description below, or go to the Hostinger website and in the website URL add question mark referral code is equal to s web dev and press enter. The code will be applied on checkout. So let's continue with the rest of the video. So I'm gonna click the image, grab it, and the image got uploaded. Okay, let me give you a preview of the image. So the image is basically like this. Okay, you have a hero section, all of these different sections, and I can zoom in as well. Okay, so it's something like this. So I'm just telling it to change the website from what it is currently into something similar to the image, but keep the color scheme the same. Okay, so let's see what it does. If you give a image as a reference, if you were creating a new website, you could change this prompt into something like make a website similar to the image, and then you could just add a little more detail into that, how the different sections would be like. So let's see what it does. It's gonna let it do its thing and come back. Okay, so it's done, and I think it actually looks pretty good. Let's actually preview this in another tab. Okay, nice. Okay, it should have actually added something. Oh, no, it did. Okay. I don't know why it was delayed a little bit, but it's adding it. Okay, nice. It's also added some animations. Okay, good. No, I like this. And it's going to each of different sections. Okay. Okay, so this actually ended up being a pretty good result. And if you're looking for something quick and easy to do, then this is a solution. So I hope you liked this tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.